I wonder if that's the Castle of Tarascon. How beautiful. The Chateau of Tarascon is a fortress built by the princes of Anjous at the start of the 15th century. It is remarkably well preserved and one of the most beautiful medieval castles in France and in Europe. I have a feeling this is where we are docking. There are more than 30 rooms inside. The apothecaries of St. Nicholas Hospital, and gorgeous views across the Rhône and Provence. Great arrow slits.
Et après, quand toi t'avais la main dedans.
Nice entrance. This was only the second time that I had to show my French health pass. I was very, very excited about that. Built across from Beaucaire, a royal city, the chateau ensured the security of the western border of Provence. From the 18th century up to 1926, the chateau functioned as a state prison. I am not going down into the large cellar. It is a historic monument and owned by the state, which continues its restoration.